Today I'm making shrimp meatballs, albóndigas de camarón. These are so delicious, tender, you're gonna love them. Let me show you guys how. Here I have 2 pounds of shrimp that I've already cleaned and deveined, and we're gonna blend until we have a sticky, chunky mince. Once done, we transfer everything into a bowl and we're gonna add 1 egg. We're only adding the egg white, not the yolk. Along with half a teaspoon of black pepper. Here I have 1 teaspoon of each, garlic powder and onion powder. Some cilantro and salt to taste. Now we're gonna mix everything until well combined. To make the meatballs, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil on my hands and then we can start rolling the little balls. Just like this, and we do the same for the rest. With these ingredients, I made about 20. Now in a pan set to medium heat with some oil, I'm gonna saute 4 Roma tomatoes, 1 onion, and 3 garlic cloves. After about 5 minutes, we add in 2 chile guajillos, 1 chile de arbol, and 1 chipotle pepper and adobo sauce. We also add 2.5 tablespoons of shrimp bouillon, half a tablespoon of oregano, and 2 cups of boiling water. Now we cover and cook for about 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, it's ready, and I'm gonna transfer everything into the blender cup. We blend until smooth. In a pot set to medium heat with some oil, I'm gonna saute 3 carrots and 2 celery sticks. Saute for about 2 minutes. Now we can add in the salsa along with 6 cups of boiling water, 2 bay leaves, mix, and this is the perfect time to check for salt. Mine needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna add about a teaspoon. Cover and cook until it starts boiling. It's been 7 minutes and as you can see it's now boiling. I'm gonna start adding the meatballs. Just make sure to add them slowly, you don't wanna get burned. All the meatballs are in, now I'm gonna add in a small bunch of cilantro, cover and cook for about 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes and our meatballs are now ready. As you can see, the meatballs are a different color, that means they're fully cooked. If you've never tried shrimp albóndigas, this is your time to try them. These are so delicious, they're perfect for Lent and very easy to make. I like to top them off with some oregano, crushed chili, and of course some salsa huichol y limoncito. Alright guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! And there you have it, delicious albóndigas de camarón.